Hi, it's Julie. I wanted to do a haul update on my Olali and Glow recipe haul that I did several weeks ago and let you know what worked, what didn't, what I might buy again. So I'll start with this Whamisa olive leaf mist. It is water-free. It is made up of olive, green tea, and aloe vera. It is 92.5% organic. It is a lovely formulation. It's beautiful with the olive leaf floating around in it. But it is very expensive. It was $38 for 2.7 ounces. And this bottle has one of the worst sprayers and misters I've ever used. It is way too forceful. So what I ended up doing is purchasing a little $2-3 bottle at Whole Foods that I will transfer all the liquid into and see if this has a finer mist than the one that it came in, which it should come with a really nice mister for that cost. So for that reason, and the reason that I'm not seeing a lot of benefit, even though I do believe that the formula and the ingredients are wonderful, I would not repurchase because it costs so much. The next thing that I would repurchase is by LeeJiham. It is the Vita Propolis ampoule. It is tiny. This is 50% propolis and 20% multivitamins. It is very convenient to have. You can see I've used very little of it, but how I use it and why I feel like I would like to repurchase this is that I can put a drop of this into any serum, essence, daytime moisturizer, nighttime moisturizer, facial oil, anything, and give that added nutrition, protection, antioxidants. It enriches anything that I drop it into and use. So I am really enjoying this, and this should last me a long time. I only put in one drop, and it just is great for those days when you don't want to wear a heavy moisturizer, but something that you have that's a little bit lighter might not be enough. This is perfect to add into that moisturizer. Next, I purchased this Huxley Secret of Sahara oil essence. It is full of cactus seed oil. The texture is very thick. It is like a really thick gel. It does not absorb quickly into your skin. It stays tacky for quite some time. So it is better to use in the evening, maybe before your last rich moisturizer or facial oil, or this would work really well for oily skin just as your nighttime moisturizer. But I would suggest you put it on a while before you go to bed because your skin does stay tacky for a little bit. I would not repurchase this even though it's very nice. It was very expensive, and for what I use, my routine in the morning and the evening, I found it kind of hard to fit it in. The next thing is the Blithe Energy Yellow Citrus and Honey Splash Mask. Love the smell of this. I love having this in my shower. I transferred a bit of it into a spray bottle so that I could spray it into my hands and then splash it onto my face, because this I was pouring way too much into my hand and it was making just a mess. But it smells super fresh and citrusy. I love to use it in the morning. You get your face wet in the shower. You get, like I said, you get the product in your hand. You pat it on your face. It's exfoliating is what it is. It's got a lot of good AHA in it, brightening. And then you just pat it in and you mix it with the water. You let it sit on your skin for 30 seconds, something like that. And then you rinse it off. I would not repurchase it, even though I'm really enjoying it because of the price. This cost $45. I'm using it only once a week. I love using it because I love the scent. I love that orange, fresh orange scent, and I can see the result. It really does do something for your skin, even though it's only on your skin for a very short time. It does do something. So if you want something very unique and different and kind of fun to use in the shower, and you don't have a lot of acids maybe already that you're using, then that would be great to get and try. This one by Cosrx, the Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask, is only $16. It is unfragranced. It's very simple. It's a very simple moisturizing mask. The great thing about it, it does not stay tacky and sticky on your face, so it's not one of those that you will get on your pillowcase at night. It's not greasy. It's very moisturizing. I would say it leaves your skin feeling very soft, really nice, bouncy, and soft. For the price, I think this is excellent, and I probably will repurchase this. Then the next thing is by Mizon. It's the Apple Smoothie Peeling Gel. It's one of those gels that you apply to dry skin that you've already cleansed, and then you just roll it onto your skin, and you keep doing that for a minute. And what it does is it picks up the dead skin that's sitting on the surface of your face, and it starts to roll it up basically, and then you rinse it all off. And this leaves your skin feeling clean and bright and soft. It's a very gentle exfoliator. Right now it's sold out on the Olali site, and I think on sale it was only $12. I would repurchase that. It's a great gentle exfoliator. And then the last thing that I bought in that haul was the Pyunkang Essence Toner. This I love. It has no water in it. It's fragrance free. It's rich in antioxidants, and it's anti-inflammatory, and it has skin beneficial minerals in it. It is made of 91.3% milk vect root extract, and it's one of those gel type toners that is a little thicker, so I use it more like an essence. I think it's very similar to this Klairs Supple Preparation Toner. You get the same amount, and this one's 19 and then the Klairs is 22. I would say if you like the Klairs, you might want to try this Pyunkang Essence Toner. I really am enjoying this. I have both of them, and so it's going to last me forever, but I'm really happy that I bought it. It is just very nourishing and moisturizing and refreshing, and a great base. Like when I get out of the shower, I love to pat this on my skin. Then I can put lotion on my body very quickly and then go to my next step. It will have absorbed by that time. Love it. So that's my take on all of these. I would not buy the olive leaf. I would not buy the Huxley. I would not buy the Blithe. I'm not saying that these are bad products. They're actually probably very good quality products. They're just a little too much money for what you get and how I would use them in my routine. So that is my update on my haul. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.